Hi, I'm Ed Davis, the president here at Sealoom, and I want to take just a minute to introduce you to our Century ceiling tiles. To start, yeah, they're plastic, and that's a good thing. Century is made from our Featherlight series 13 thousandths thick rigid vinyl, which makes them lighter, easier to clean, and more versatile than any ceiling tile you've ever seen or felt before. First, don't let their weight fool you. This thermoformed design, combined with the inherent strength of vinyl, makes these tiles rigid, durable, and incredibly easy to install and maintain. Class A fire rated, 100% recyclable, completely waterproof, Greenguard Gold Certified for indoor air quality, and made in the USA. These tiles pack a pedigree that's unmatched. Available in 15 designer colors and finishes, they're also pretty easy on the eyes. Installing couldn't be easier. Just pop them into your standard 1-inch T-bar grid system. Most ceilings will have some less than full-size grid spaces. For those areas, simply cut your ceiling tiles to fit with scissors or snips. Century ceiling tiles also work well with recessed lighting. Just be sure to choose a fixture that mounts to your ceiling grid. If you have any questions or would like to see a free sample, please do not hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Sealoom.